In 2023, Zomato got this much revenue, Swiggy got this much revenue, Food Panda got this much revenue. The biggest food delivery company in Nigeria, Jumia, got this much revenue. Do you know how these all food delivery company works? Let me tell you. You as a customer make order, the seller, the restaurant accept that order, delivery man deliver that order, and the platform earn commissions. Yes, all these platforms take commission from the seller or they take one-time subscription cost from the seller and they earn money. But how they earn it? Obviously, because they are giving the platform for the seller to sell products online that increase the sale of the sellers, and you as a customer can make order from different restaurants around the world using one app only. And that's how they all earn money. Do you want to start your own multi-vendor food delivery business like this, where a customer can make an order from nearby restaurants, the restaurants can accept that order and delivery man can deliver the order and you earn commission as a complete food delivery company? Then this is the video for you. Hi everyone, this is Pooja Agarwal from Ronix. I'm the founder of Ronix and we can make you help to make your complete food delivery online business. And today I'm gonna tell you how you can start your own complete food delivery business. If you are planning to start your own multi-vendor food delivery, grocery delivery, meat delivery business, then this is the video for you. And yeah, let's get started. So now let's discuss what you need to start your own complete multi-vendor food delivery, meat delivery, grocery delivery business. Number 1, domain. You need a .com, .in, .org, your own domain name. So what is a domain name? Domain name is your name and then the extension. So like Ronix.com, Amazon.com, Flipkart.com. So like this, you can buy your own domain name. If you want to know what is the price of having a domain name, it varies between 980 rupees to 1000 rupees depending upon what is your name. You can directly visit this website to buy your domain name and to check the prices of your domain. In dollars, your prices become $12 to more than $25 depending upon your domain and availability. Remember, domain is a name that only one person can buy at one time. For example, Amazon.com is already purchased, Ronix.com is already purchased, so you cannot buy the same domain, but you can definitely buy a domain similar. You can buy ronixapp.com or you can buy ronixapp.in. I hope you got that. Domain name is your own application brand name that people will search on internet and they will find your website on it. If you want to know more about what is domain name, what are the different domain names and much more, you can watch this video coming here. You can also see this video available in the description. For more, you can contact our team. Details are showing on your screen or you can also see the comment section below. And yeah, let's go ahead. Number 2, hosting or server. To make your complete online platform, you need a complete hosting server. What is hosting? Let's understand by an example. When you make your offline store, you need a shop name and you need a shop space where you will upload all your products. That is the same thing as hosting. The shop name is the domain name. For example, Ronix is the shop name. So that is the domain name, ronix.com. But actually the place where all the people can come, meet, products are kept, everything, that is the shop space that you take on rent. So the space that you take on rent, it is available online also. That is called server. To make any website live on internet, you need a server. So the people will search ronix.com. They will find this website which is coming from a server. So you can buy a server depending upon your requirement, your storage requirement, your people that gonna come on your place and visit the website and traffic. So I will suggest to have a minimum 1 GB RAM hosting with complete SSL and free storage. You can also go for VPS plan starting from $35 per month and much more. If you want to know about what are the different hosting plans, you can go to this website. Link is also available in the description box or you can also see the comment section to directly contact our team. Here is the contact details that you can contact on. Number 3, your business registration. If you are doing a complete multi-vendor food delivery business, you need a basic business registration. Now let's discuss number 3, business registration and document. If you are doing business in India, these are the documents that you need to start your own multi-vendor food delivery business. Number 1, GST number. You need to have your GST number registered. Number 2, PAN card. You need to have your business PAN card to have your ready to start food delivery business online. Number 3, having your current account. You need to open a current account in any bank that is having complete company current account opening option. Number 4, having your company registration. You need to have a private limited or a one-person company registration. You cannot have a sole propriety or shop registration because that doesn't act as a company registration when you are planning to apply for an online payment gateway that we will understand more in this video. So you can get all of this registration like GST number, PAN card, current account and company private registration at one place, that is our associated partner taxgaadi.com. You can directly contact us on this number to get more detail about how to get more and more detailed discussion about business registration, company registration, documents and much more. You can contact on this number so a team can help you and guide you more regarding the business registration. Number 4, having your own payment gateway. To start your own online business, a complete multi-vendor food delivery business, you need to have an online payment gateway solution. How to get that? You can register on different payment gateway platforms like Razorpay, Paytm and much more. You need to go to their website and you need to upload all the documents that you applied for the business like business PAN card, GST number, current account and much more. If you are having any issue, you can directly contact us. Here are the details so our team can help you the best. Number 5, having your complete food delivery business application. That is the most crucial part because this is the thing that is going to run your online business and showing your brand to the public. You can make your complete food delivery application like this, which is having complete categories like pizza, burger, meat category, any category you can have. It is having sliders like this. It is having latest restaurant showing like this. The customer can see nearby restaurant as per his location like this. It will have 3 apps: customer app, seller app, driver app, admin panel, website and 1 year free technical support that you will get with complete source code. Yes, complete application of user app, seller app, driver app, admin, website and 1 year free technical support is available in this combo. Let me tell you more about our ready to launch food delivery application Hello Eats. In this application, you will get the complete user app like this. Customer can easily make an order by choosing his favorite restaurant. He can also choose add-ons like this. He can also order by online payment or COD. In our latest version of Hello Eats, the complete food delivery application like Zomato, Swiggy, Uber Eats, you can now have subscription model also or one-time order option also for the user. How it works, let me tell you. The customer can easily make an online order like this. He can choose his favorite product and he can directly check out by online payment, cash on delivery or wallet payment. And that's how he will make an order. And now let's understand how a customer will make an order if he want to have subscription. And now a customer can choose subscription like this. He can choose weekly. In weekly, he can choose every day what time he wants the subscription on. He can also choose subscription on monthly basis. And he can also choose subscription on daily like this. So what is subscription model in multi-vendor food delivery application? Let me tell you. If you are going to sell different products like vegetable, dairy products, grocery products, medical products, then this is the best feature for you. A customer can easily assign same product to be ordered in particular dates or monthly or weekly. So now he can get order of same products daily, monthly, weekly, and you can get a long-term customer. So this is having subscription model and one-time order, both model available in our latest Hello Eats application. In the application, customer order like this subscription and now he can track his subscription like this. He can also control to edit his subscription or cancel his subscription like this. And that's how subscription model works in our ready-made, ready-to-launch Hello Eats, the complete multi-vendor application like Zomato, Swiggy, Uber Eats, and much more. And now let's talk about the seller application of Hello Eats. And that's how the customer made an order. And that's how the seller get the order with loud alarm notification. He can accept the order. And he can also control the order, have a chat with customer, see the order detail and much more. And now he can prepare the order. And now this order will go to the delivery man like this. The delivery man will receive a loud alarm notification like this. And he will accept the order and he will deliver the order to the customer. He can see the live location of the customer like this. He can track the customer. He can call or chat the customer like this. The customer can also live track the complete order and he can get order delivered. And that is how our ready-to-launch Hello Eats, the complete multi-vendor application works. Let's talk about some latest and the highest cool features in our Hello Eats app. Number 1, reorder. A customer can click on this button to directly reorder the same product that he ordered last time. Number 2, subscription model. Now, a customer can order normal product or subscription-based product easily. Number 3, subscription model for restaurant. Yes, now a restaurant can register on commission basis that you want to take 15, 20%, 30%, or he can pay monthly, weekly to you to get the membership on your platform. And that is how subscription model is working in the application of seller. And you can set the prices, timing, everything by using the admin panel of Hello Eats. Number 4, you can see the delivery man online time. Yes, from admin panel, you can see how much time the delivery man was online and how much time he was not available. Number 5, having your complete system with refer and earn, live chat and much more feature. So what are you waiting for? Start your own complete multi-vendor business like Hello Eats in no time. You can contact us. Details are showing on your screen, or you can also visit ronix.com so our team can help you the best. If you are looking for Android combo, you will get user Android app, seller Android app, delivery man Android app, website, admin, seller web admin, 1 year complete technical support and complete ready to launch platform with complete source code. If you are looking for Android plus iOS, then you will get user Android app, seller Android app, delivery man Android app, user iOS app, delivery man iOS app, seller iOS app, website, admin, and 1 year free technical support with complete source code. You can now start your complete food delivery business in no time, in 7 days only. Yes, in 7 days. And you can launch your complete multi-vendor food delivery business with the experts. I will see you in the next video. If you have more queries regarding the food delivery business or any other business, you can directly contact us. Details are showing on your screen, or you can also comment below so our team can help you. For more, kindly watch all the videos, subscribe our channel, comment below, like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.